Well, folks, just kidding. What's going on? It's your boy, Cranjus McBasketball, and welcome back to another Winnipeg Foamer video. It's that time of year where a very special Canadian Pacific train makes its way east across the country to head back west later in the year. But before that, here's CP-118 with a KCS Grey Ghost and a friendly crew on board 8711. After 118 passed, CP train 40B was hot on its tail. We had like negative 15 seconds to set up, as you could tell by the signal bungalow right in the middle of my shot. Doesn't the new CPKC logo look awful on the holiday train? Another fact is that axing the Canadian Pacific in the holiday train text cut the trains down 2 cars. Next we set up at Marquette, where we saw GP20C Ecos 2246 and 2249, which have been on the train since like 2014. Split the old searchlight signals. Next up was the tiny town of Rosser. At this point the train had slowed down, coming ever so closer to the yard in downtown Winnipeg. Here it is again, entering the stretch of double track through the city at Macwa. Yeah, this shot at Summit Road was pretty bad. We had like no time to properly set up for it. We went to get some snacks and to see what else was going on around the city before racing through the start of rush hour traffic going to Day Street to see it one last time before it made its way east towards Ontario. Thanks for watching, everyone. Shout out to the channel members. Feel free to join the channel as a member, stop by the Discord server for free, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe for more mediocre train motion pictures. This is the Winnipeg Railfan saying see you next Tuesday. Or